So I've been wanting to do an apartment tour for a while, and I figured that this was a good time as I'm gearing up to leave this space soon. If you watch my videos, I know that you see bits and pieces of my apartment in the background. So I live in a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom that I share, and I think that when you share an apartment, it's really important to merge both of your styles as much as you can. And this apartment just ended up being very minimal and simple, which I love. So yeah, let's just get on with the tour. When you enter the apartment, on the right is the kitchen area. One thing about this apartment is it's a pretty open layout, so there's no real demarcation between the living room and the kitchen. But it does make the apartment feel pretty open and a bit cozy. So since there was no kitchen island, getting some sort of island or table was essential. We settled on this little breakfast nook island from Wayfair, which I feel blends into the kitchen quite nicely. The little vase on the table is normally on the living room, but I think it looks good here for the video. Oftentimes there are fresh flowers on this table, which makes the space feel very happy. But overall, I think this island is great, and the shelves can also be great for extra storage space. So I have two favorite items in the kitchen. The first is this teapot that I actually picked up from Amazon, which comes in a set, and the next is this pink ceramic fruit bowl. I picked it up over 2 years ago, and it was one of the first new things that I got for this space, and I had splurged and paid $100 for it, and I remember feeling so grown. To the left of the kitchen is the in-unit washer and dryer, which is truly such a convenience, but I'm definitely guilty of leaving my clothes in the dryer until I have to put them away. It's not the best habit. I've had this bookshelf for a little over 3 years at this point, and I absolutely love it. The bookshelf is in this champagne color, and I think that the geometric shape is really unique. Next up, we have the living room area. As you can see, it's right next to the kitchen like I mentioned earlier. I think one thing that really drew me to this apartment is the floor-to-ceiling windows, which just brings in so much sunlight. I just love a lot of sunlight, and that's definitely the first thing that I was looking for in an apartment. This green couch is from Wayfair, and I think it's really just the star of the show, and it's really the one big statement piece here in the living area. I love that since everything else is pretty simple, even though the green is bold, it doesn't feel too much. This side table is from West Elm, and I fell in love with it when I saw it because of the unique look to it. It just feels very sophisticated. The rug, I believe, is from Target, and again, it's quite simple. It was so hard deciding what kind of rug to get. The TV stand is from Walmart, and it definitely could be a little bit better decorated, but hey. Right next to the TV is this floor-length mirror. It was actually silver, but we spray painted it gold. This gold lamp is from Target, and this yellow couch is one of the first pieces that I got from my last apartment, and I just love it a lot. Since I moved it out here from my room, I feel like I hardly sit in it these days. In this corner we have a bar cart, and I think that it adds a nice touch to the living room. And we also have a little balcony in the apartment, which I'm really grateful for, and the balcony furniture is from Wayfair. So moving on, welcome to my room. I actually did a room tour a little over a year ago, and since that tour, I've only made a couple minor changes. So the yellow couch in the living room used to be in the corner by the window, but since working from home, I decided to get myself a desk and turn this corner into a little office area. The desk is from Target, and I really like the light oak color, and the ergonomic chair is from Wayfair. The top of the desk is pretty empty most times except for my laptop or my iPad. And the little painting above my desk is something that I did a couple years ago at a paint night. I feel like I've had this bed frame for ages now. I like it, but I'm honestly just ready to get a new bed frame. I love this comforter, which I picked up from Target, or was it Amazon? Well, either way, I think it makes the room feel so airy and peaceful. Even on days when my room is not so tidy, when the bed is laid, it just feels so nice in here. I think that it being white has something to do with that. Next to the bed, I have this side table that I picked up from Urban Outfitters Home. On it, I mainly just keep my journal and my Bible, and I got both of them from Amazon. This mushroom style glass lamp is also from Urban Outfitters Home, and it's one of my favorite newer additions to my room. I don't have too much storage in my room, so all of my purses are really just on the door handles. Behind the door, I also just have some encouragement and truth, such as God is in control and I have been set free, and just different Bible verses that were really speaking to me. So on the other side of my room, I have my closet, well, 2 sliding closets. The door to the one on the left actually came off the hinge, so I just moved it over to the bathroom for now. So yeah, these are pretty much all my clothes in this one closet. Friends who have been to my room expect me to have a lot more clothes, but I sold or donated a lot of stuff to make sure that everything I have is something that I love. So slowly but surely, I plan to intentionally build my closet back up with only things that I love. Down here is a bit messy, but I do want to highlight my Judy Emergency bag. I'm so glad that I have this. It's good to be prepared, I think, God forbid, an emergency, power outage, storm, whatever the case may be, and this bag just has a lot in here. And the other closet is for all the inventory for my vintage shop and for my shoes. Lastly, we have my bathroom. I really struggled to find out how to even decorate the bathroom, so I kept it pretty simple, but I think that it came together okay. I got this painting from Target, but I actually will be selling it or giving it away when I move. I just have a little bamboo tray that I keep a lot of my skincare, and this makeup bag is from Merit Beauty, but I like that I can also use it for decoration since it does look so nice. So yeah, that is pretty much my apartment. I hope that you guys enjoy this little tour. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!